Hi guys, it's Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch. I wanted to share my grocery haul with you today, and it's a gorgeous day in LA. So we went to the farmer's market. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we bought today. It's February, gorgeous weather in LA, and we returned to the market to buy some really special seasonal items that are either not available in our grocery store or that are a much better price at the farmer's market. So this week we went back and we got more of this delicious sugar-free dried fruit. It's a little bit of a splurge, but it's one of the few snacks that I buy for my lunchbox. And both my baby, who's 16 months old, and my 4-year-old daughter love these dried fruits. They're healthy and they're super convenient for me. We got more rhubarb today, which I'm gonna chop and simmer with sugar and water to go over vanilla ice cream as a treat for us. It was $5 for a huge quantity I bought today, so it's a great price, much cheaper than our grocery store. We got Cara oranges. We had a full loaf of Homeboy Industries cinnamon bread. It goes fast in our house. That was a treat today. We have 3 kinds of cauliflower, mostly a big head of cauliflower, but just for color and interest, I got a couple small pieces of the other colorful kinds. Japanese cucumbers. These are pea shoots. They can be eaten like a salad green, or they're really delicious. They have a pea-like flavor, and those can be cooked just with garlic and olive oil like a sauteed veggie or spinach. Here we have baby bok choy. This is a nice, small, fresh, organic baby bok choy. Kumquats, it's Chinese New Year. Kumquats are in season. If your kids love sucking on lemons, they might enjoy a kumquat. This is a really ugly, gnarly vegetable. This is a celery root. Often you will find them in your grocery store, and they're not as fresh as these. These were a great, really big bulb. And what I do is I cut the tops off and I peel them, and then I cut them in a square or a domino shape, and I braise them. So I put them in a cast iron skillet with a lot of oil. I cook them very gently. I usually put a lid on top of them so they can steam a little bit, and they're super, super sweet and nutty once I'm done. Those are great. Everybody loves it, grown-ups, children, super delish. That's our wonderful market haul from the Studio City Farmers Market today. Super quickly, I stopped in at Gelson's on the way home. Gelson's is our gourmet grocery store. This is $25 at Gelson's. We are making more Hamantaschen this week, and you can click below to see my Hamantaschen recipe. They are delicious little triangular jam-filled cookies for Purim. And I do like using King Arthur flour, and I love using the Bon Maman preserves. They're both a luxury brand item. They're not the cheapest. So strangely, our gourmet grocery store has the best price on these 2 brands. And in addition, I had a $5 off coupon for Gelson's and a 60-cent off coupon that Bon Maman emails to me since I subscribe to their email list. And then while I was there, I couldn't help myself. I got these tiny pretzel buns, and those I'm gonna use as a treat in the lunchbox for some little organic beef burger sliders. That is all. Again, if you like these ideas or seeing what we're cooking here in our house and in our lunch boxes, please subscribe and click the little bell next to the subscribe button. You'll get alerts on my next videos, and you can follow us on the Little Kosher Lunch blog, on Instagram, on Facebook. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Happy baking, and definitely check out the Hamantaschen video. If you haven't made Hamantaschen before, I have the recipe and all of the technique tricks to have great little cookies. Bye-bye.